Heart-wrenching day inside a Durango courtroom. The mother and older brother of 13-year-old Dylan Redwine taking the stand today in his father's murder trial. KRDO News Channel 13 Spencer Soisher has been tracking the ongoing proceedings and joins us now with those details. Spencer.
Heather, Dylan Redwine's brother and mother have waited years for this trial to finally arrive, and now that it has, they went to work describing to jurors a relationship between Mark and Dylan Redwine that was anything but good.
You know, I figured he was safe because he was with his dad, and I was devastated that no one knew where my son was.
Elaine Hall fighting back tears as she takes the stand against her ex-husband, Mark Redwine, on trial for the murder of her youngest son. Dylan Redwine went missing after a court-ordered visit to his father's home in Vallecito, just outside of Durango. His blood and portions of his remains eventually found in and around Mark Redwine's cabin. Today, Hall recalled the last time she saw her son alive, boarding a plane for that visit, one Dylan desperately tried to avoid.
As he was boarding his plane, he was walking away, and he always called me Mutti, which is German for mom. And I said, "Oh, you're too old to give your mom a hug," and he came back and gave me a hug.
A few days later, a message from her ex-husband. Their boy was missing.
I was frantic. It was nerve-wracking. I was 6 hours away, and he's asking me if I've seen Dylan.
Dylan's older brother, Corey, taking the stand as well.
The whole truth and nothing but the truth. I do.
Corey testifying that he and Dylan found photos they weren't meant to see on Mark's computer.
He found pictures of Mark dressed in women's clothing, wearing a diaper.
Corey said after Dylan saw those pictures, he never looked at his dad the same way. He says Dylan got into an argument with Mark and told him about the photos, the prosecution asserting it's a possible motive for Dylan's murder. Elaine Hall later reading a text message she sent to Dylan when she learned of his disappearance.
I said, "Dylan, please be safe. Mom is here to come get you, son."
Hall says Dylan was so opposed to visiting his father, she consulted with her lawyer about it. But because it was court-ordered, the family didn't have a choice. In the newsroom, Spencer Soisher, KRDO News Channel 13.
Spencer, thank you.